MxxYhu Matthew Chapter 20. For the reign of the heavens is like a householder who went out early in the morning to hire workers for his vineyard. And when he had agreed with the workers for a denarius a day, he sent them into his vineyard, and he went out about the third hour, and saw others standing idle in the marketplace, and said to them, You too, go into the vineyard, and whatever is right I shall give you. And they went. Having gone out again about the 6th and the 9th hour, he did likewise. And about the 11th hour, having gone out, he found others standing idle, and said to them, Why do you stand here idle all day? They said to him, Because no one hired us. He said to them, You too, go into the vineyard, and whatever is right you shall receive. And when evening came, the master of the vineyard said to his manager, Call the workers and pay them their wages, beginning with the last to the first. And when those came who were hired about the 11th hour, they each received a denarius. And when the first came, they thought they would receive more, but they too received each a silver piece. And when they received it, they grumbled against the householder, saying, These last have worked only 1 hour, and you made them equal to us, who have borne the burden in the heat of the day. But he answering said to one of them, Friend, I do you no wrong. Did you not agree with me for a denarius? Take yours and go. But I wish to give to this last man as also to you. Is it not right for me to do what I wish with my own? Or is your eye evil because I am good? Thus the last shall be first, and the first last. For many are called, but few chosen. And Yahusha, going up to Jerusalem, took the 12 taught ones aside on the way, and said to them, See, we are going up to Jerusalem, and the Son of Adam shall be delivered up to the chief priests and to the scribes, and they shall condemn him to death, and deliver him to the nations to mock and to flog and to impale, and the third day he shall be raised. Then the mother of the sons of Zabdi came to him with her sons, bowing down and making a request of him. And he said to her, What do you wish? She said to him, Command that these 2 sons of mine might sit, one on your right hand and the other on the left, in your reign. But Yahusha answering said, You do not know what you ask. Are you able to drink the cup that I am about to drink, and to be immersed with the immersion that I am immersed with? They said to him, We are able. And he said to them, You shall indeed drink my cup, and you shall be immersed with the immersion that I am immersed with. But to sit on my right hand and on my left is not mine to give, but it is for those for whom it has been prepared by my Father. And when the 10 heard it, they were displeased at the 2 brothers. But Yahusha called them near and said, You know that the rulers of the nations are masters over them, and those who are great exercise authority over them. But it shall not be so among you. But whoever wishes to become great among you, let him be your servant. And whoever wishes to be first among you, let him be your servant. Even as the Son of Adam did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. And as they were leaving Yericho, a large crowd followed him. And see, 2 blind men sitting by the way, having heard that Yahusha was passing by, cried out, saying, Have compassion on us, O Master, Son of David. And the crowd rebuked them that they should be silent. But they cried out all the more, saying, Have compassion on us, O Master, Son of David. And Yahusha stopped and called them and said, What do you wish me to do for you? They said to him, Master, that our eyes be opened. And having been moved with compassion, Yahusha touched their eyes, and immediately their eyes received sight, and they followed him.